Good day everyone, welcome back to another video here on VampFX. We are going to do a GBPUSD analysis today. It's currently Sunday, it's the end of the week. I hope everyone had a productive and profitable week. So the reason for me doing this analysis on a Sunday evening is just to prepare me for what's to come and just to help me see some possible moves that I could take this week coming. So looking at GBPUSD, we are currently on the 4 hour, and in a previous video that I made, you can go check that out. I've marked the zone right over here. We got a level that's been respected that I just extended to the right side. So looking at it more in depth, I could go into the 1 hour to see what's interesting there. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, I can see that we could see it on the 4 hour as well, but here we can just see it more clearly with wicks and all. We have this level right here of a double top, I would say. And what other aspects of this chart we could mark is this level right here. GBPUSD has been coming up since the beginning of October, and it's been moving in an upward trend, I would say, and hasn't made any lower lows or low highs. So something that I could mark on the 1 hour, I got this uptrending support, I would say, right over there. And another level I would mark is these two here. So I would mark that up just like that, and as you can see, we are trading in this channel. We have a minor few touches here, but that's not something I'm gonna mark. It's not how can I say, it is not relevant because we are looking for the major swings. So the major swings in this uptrend pattern would be first major swing from that point to that point, this pullback, and we have another major swing from this point to this point, and we have our pullback. What we could expect for this is a possible swing to this level over here, to the gray area, and my reasons for that is we are at the support of this uptrend support and another reason is we have this level over here which price is also at. That is two confirmations right there for a possible upward movement. Yeah, that is all I got for 1 hour. Let's move on to the 30 minutes. Looking at the 30 minutes, we can see that how these levels are being respected. We can see the emphasis on that. A possible double bottom. We have our one bottom over there, and we can have our next one right over there. That could mean that price could just come up to one of these two areas, either this gray area right over here or this level here making a double top. My overall bias for the setup is buys, so that is what I'm looking for. And the only thing that is off-putting is that on the 4 hour we kind of saw that, I mean not on the 4 hour, on the daily, you can check that in a previous video as well, that it just looks like it's a retest, but we have one of these candles, a doji, so that is kind of off-putting. That's making me kind of indecisive. We have this double top on the 30 minutes, and that is all I can see for there. If we could possibly check fibs, it would be, and yeah, read the 38,2 and move to the downside. Hopefully it just goes to the zero fib level and continues to the upside. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes, we can see that we have another in-depth double top over there. We came down, and as you can see here, this level that I marked is being respected because we can see that we have the market coming down, testing this level, coming up, breaking through, and retesting that level once again and coming down. I feel like this level will be respected, and then price will just move to the upside. And another plus to this is this could be a triple top as well, triple bottom. Apologies for that. So how I would take this setup would be as follows. I'll take my long right over there. Let's just set up our targets and stop levels. That would be my trade, and once price moves into about 15 pips into well, not 15, about 10 pips into profit, I'll move my stop loss to break even. So that is my setup for GBPUSD. Let's see how it plays out, and we are back. The setup that you are looking at is what we took yesterday. It is 8 o'clock on the dot. So the setup we took yesterday, my reasons for taking this trade was this uptrend support, this level of support right here, this gray area, as well as we could see that price has been moving up since the beginning of October. That was another indication that gave me confidence to take this position. This was a successful trade. We entered about here. I said that we would wait for candle confirmation, but it was Sunday, market was closed. It was just my weekend prediction to see if I was aware of what was going to happen in the week, and I was correct. So I took this humble W, nothing major. So I try not to let my wins get to me, because once you let your wins get to you, so does your losses. And the goal is to think like a robot and not ponder on your emotions, whether you take a loss or a win. So this was a beautiful setup, and yeah, thank you for watching. Till next time.